In addition to our 4 nutrient lines, Canna has a range of additives to help you get better results. Canna Rhizotonic is a powerful algae-based vegetative stimulator for plant roots. It contains a range of nutrients and vitamins and is 100% natural. Rhizotonic is suitable for use with any growing medium, and you can use it throughout the whole growth cycle, from seedlings to harvesting. In this video, we will explain the different ways in which Canna Rhizotonic works. Rhizotonic stimulates root growth and improves the strength of the plant. This is especially important during the first weeks of the plant's life. Rhizotonic contains organic substances. Once these have been absorbed, they are immediately converted into growth hormones in the root cell. Rhizotonic aids the recovery process of the plant after each watering and after stress situations such as repotting. Amino acids, various trace elements, and vitamins such as B1 and B2 stimulate the production of hormones and root growth so that the plant can send out beautiful, strong white roots. Using Rhizotonic results in faster and more vigorous rooting. Rhizotonic also increases the surface area of the root hairs, and the vitamins and amino acids help the minerals applied to be absorbed into the roots. This enables the plant to absorb more water and nutrients. The nitrogen that is provided in the Rhizotonic solution is absorbed by bacteria. The bacteria release the nitrogen mainly in the form of plant-available nitrate or to a lesser degree ammonium, which the plant can absorb. Rhizotonic contains components that act as antimicrobial, antiviral and antifungal agents, which help to limit pests and pathogens' activity. Some of these agents act by repelling, some by camouflaging, and some by having a direct physical effect. Rhizotonic can be used in a foliar spray as well. The chloroplasts inside the cell need nitrogen to maintain maximum amounts of chlorophyll, and they multiply as the plant needs more of them. The nitrogen from Rhizotonic is directly available to the plant, which means that it can be absorbed much more easily. Rhizotonic improves the overall health of your plant by strengthening its root system, increasing its uptake and utilization of nutrients, reducing stress and minimizing pest issues. Using Canna Rhizotonic from seedlings to harvesting will give you optimum results every time. And we also have other additives that you can use alongside Rhizotonic to make sure you get more from your plant. So don't forget to use Cannazim, PK1314 and Canna Boost. This will give you even better yields.